Welcome to Safe and Secure Locksmith. Today we'll be showing you how to rekey a mortise lock. First, we're testing the original key, which successfully turns the lock. Now we'll try a different key to see that it doesn't turn the cylinder. To begin, we'll disassemble the cylinder. Using a follower tool, we push the cylinder plug out while carefully holding the top pins in place. We'll set aside the old pins since we're rekeying the lock to match a new key. Next, we replace the old pins with new ones that match the cuts of the new key. The follower tool helps us keep the top pins from falling out while we insert the new key pins. Once the new pins are in place, we'll test the new key, making sure it turns the lock smoothly. We also check to ensure the old key no longer works. Everything looks good. Now, we reassemble the lock by putting the backing and screws back in place. The lock is rekeyed and ready to be installed back in the door. For more information about our services, visit us at safeandsecurebc.com.